Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize the Breeze login and registration page. So in the previous video we successfully installed the Laravel Breeze package, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize the login page and also the registration page. So let's not waste time and get right to it. I'm gonna type in the php artisan serve command to run the project. So okay, wow, I have lots of routes here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close these routes. So to close these useless routes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in ps-ef and then r grep and then php. Now what this command does is it gives me a list of all the running routes on the background. So as you guys can see, I have a few, like 4 or 5, something like that. So I will just kill all these. So the route is called 1293.5. So I'll just type in kill the first one, and it's 12 something 1293.5. So 1293.5. That route is gone now, and the other one is called 13, 17, and 4. So the same thing, 13, 17, and 4. Yes, and then I have another one called 13407. So 13407, 13407, and I have another one here called 13716. So 13716, 13716, and then I have 47470. So let's kill this as well. 47 and 0. Okay, I did a mistake. 47 0. Yeah. Okay, let's try the other one. 1499.3. 1499.3. Yeah. And then I have 47,517. So 47,517. Whoops, I did a mistake. 47,570, sorry. 70. And the last one I have 47,746. And let's now run the php artisan serve command, and yep, it's showing on the port now. So if I go to the login page now, this is the default login page that comes with Breeze. So I'll be changing this into something that comes from the Sash template. So I'll show you guys the login page. So this is the Sash login page, and like I said, I will be converting this into this. So to do that, it's pretty easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my file and open it with my code editor, and then I'm going to select all this, copy this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to resources folder, views, auth, and then the login page. Now I'll paste the whole code here, and since I have the JavaScript links, they're the same as my admin, my master admin view blade. So I'll just go to that file. So there we go, master blade, and then I'm going to copy all of these files, all of these script files. So I'll just copy all of this. And by the way, you don't have to like copy all the files if you're using the Sash template, because as you guys can see, I have only 1 2 3 4 5 7 6 and 8. I only have like 8 JavaScript links, and if I paste the links that I copied, it's definitely more than 8. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. It's a lot, you know, as you guys can see, it's a lot more than 8 links. So I'm just doing this for the sake of this video because I don't want this video to be too long, so that's why I'm just copy pasting it. But if you are like trying to customize your template or your project, then you only have to like give the links that are required for that page. Don't give extra links because that will slow down your project. So I just wanted to let that out, and I hope you guys understand that. Now let's do the same thing with the CSS links. So I'll just copy the whole CSS links from here, and I'll paste it inside the login page right here. There we go. Don't need this anymore. I think I did, yeah, I did paste the Bootstrap link. This is the Bootstrap link. Okay, so we don't need the master page anymore, and we don't need this login page anymore as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the form tag from here. I'll copy it from here and paste it inside my template login page. So this is the opening form tag, and I'll paste it right here. And then what we have here inside the inputs is the name and the type. So on my input, I have the name as email, and it comes from the database field. As you guys can see, it's called email. So I'm gonna just paste this inside the email input. There we go. I think the password was password as well, so I'm not just gonna copy that. I'll just write it down here, password, and there we go. Now I don't think I need like the extra links and stuff, so I'll just delete all these to make it look better and lighter. So I just erase all these. So I did paste the email, the password, and then we don't really need these social light icons, so I'm just gonna cut all this code from here, the useless codes, and then I don't really need this as well, so I'll just erase this. But I think I have a button inside here. Let me see. No, I don't. Okay, then I will just erase the code from here. Now, so this is my button, and I'm gonna make this a button, and I'll give it as well here. I don't really need to give it a link. I'll just give it a type of submit, since it's inside the form tag here. I will take the route. So, and inside the button, I'll just write login, and yeah, it looks nice. Now let's change this as well. Let's give this the route of registration. So yeah, and by the way, these routes that I'm typing here, like the register route and the login one that I just copy pasted here, if you go to routes and to web.php, as you guys can see, I don't have the login and registration route here. These routes are not found in the web.php file. These routes are inside the auth.php, and as you guys can see, it says register, login, forget password, reset password, like logout and all that stuff. So the Breeze routes and the authentication routes are inside the auth.php file, and I just wanted to clear that up to you guys. And yeah, I think that's it. I don't need this global loader as well, so I'm just gonna delete that. And then yeah, I think that's it. So I'll just erase all of this from here. Now let's go back to our page, reload this, and yeah, as you guys can see, it looks perfect. Now let's do the same thing with the login, the registration page. So if I click on the sign up page, it should take me to registration page, which we did give it the link to here. Now let's customize the registration page. So to do that, it's the same process. We need to go to resources, into views, and then into auth and register.blade.php. It's the same thing. So let me go back to my template and let's find the register file. There we go. This is the register file. I just want to show it to you guys what it looks like. So this is going to be the registration page. Now to copy the code, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to right click on here and open it with my code editor, and then I'm going to copy the whole code from here, and inside my Breeze register page right here I will paste the whole code, and then I will do the same thing with the links that I did, the JavaScript links and stuff. As you guys can see, I have like useless links like I told you guys, so the IZI toast links and stuff like that. And yeah, so like when you're customizing your template, you have to be very careful with the links. Only give it the links and paths that is required for that specific page. But like I said, I'm doing it for the sake of this video. I don't want the video to be too long, so that's why I'm just copy pasting the whole thing from the master page and all that. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with the CSS links, so I'll just copy this from here and paste it inside the registration folder, the file, sorry, not folder. So right here, there we go. And now what we have to do is we have to check how many input fields do we have. So we have name, email, password, and also confirm password. But if I go to the registration page of my template, I only have username, email, password, and there is no confirm password field. So yeah, let's make that first. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the password input field from here. Let's find the password one. So this is text, email, and yeah, there you go. This is the password. So I'm just going to copy this from here and paste it right here. Now it's the same process as the other ones. I'll copy the form tag and paste it inside the opening form on my registration page, and then I'll copy the name. So it's called name, email, password, same as the login one. And then the only difference that we have here is this confirm password. So I'll just copy this from here and go to my confirm password, which we just pasted here somewhere. So this is password, and okay, so I'll just make this confirm password, and then I will paste the name here. So confirm password, and then for password it was called password, as you guys can see on the database columns is password, email, and name. So yeah, now let's go to email. I'll give it the name of email, and the username is called only name. So yeah, there we go. I don't think we need anything else. I'll remove the global loader because we don't need that. It slows down our page. And then we have the terms and services and stuff like that, which I don't really need. So I'm going to cut this from here. And then I have the registration button. So I'll make this a button instead of a link. And I'll give it a type of submit. Already have an account, then I'll give the login link. So double curly braces, route, parentheses, single quotation, and then I'll just give the login route. And just like the login page, we don't need the social icons on the register page as well. So I'll just delete all this from here. There's much more that I can do. Like for an example, I can add pictures and stuff here, but like I said, for the sake of this video, I want this video to be very short, so that's why I'm like teaching you guys the important things, because I'm pretty sure that you guys can like handle how to add pictures and stuff like that. So that's why I'm not like focusing too much on this. And yeah, I think we're finished here, so I will erase that code. And yeah, let's check it out. So I'll go to Laravel page, and yeah, now let's check if this is gonna work or not. Now if I go back to my database, refresh this, I have like these two IDs, which I'm gonna delete both of these. Yes, I'm deleting them manually. And now let's refresh the page and let's make another one. So I'll name it something like that, then an email, and I'll give it a password of admin1234, admin1234, register. And yeah, update the password. Now let's go back, refresh, and yep, there we go. If I want to go back to my login page, it should not redirect me to my login page. And yeah, it's working. So yeah, that's really cool. And the logic behind this, why it's not redirecting me to my login page, is because I'm already logged in, so I can't go back to my login page unless I log out. Now, as you guys can see, we have now worked on the logout route. So yeah, let's do that now. Now, since I already showed you guys where the authentication routes are, as you guys can see, I already have the logout route, so I don't really need to make it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the logout route. So to do that, I'm gonna go to my resources, views, and then the tutorial folder, and then my header view. Now let's find the sign out option here. It should be at the end of this code. Yeah, there we go, it's here. Now let's work on this. First things first, what I'm going to do is take a form and give it an action of route logout. Just I showed you guys this like a second ago. And then let's give it a method. So I'll give it a method of post, and then I will cut this form tag from here and paste it right here. And then let's give this a route of logout. When we click on the sign out button, it should log us out. Now let's check if this is working or not. Let's refresh this, sign out, and it says the get method is also for this route. Support method is post. Okay, no problem. I think we should oops, sorry about that. I think we should give it some JavaScript code. So I'm going to code some JavaScript here. So I'll just go with on click event dot prevent default. It will help us not load the page when we click on that button. And then I'll click on this dot closest my form, and when I click on submit, you should sign me out. And yeah, now let's run the PHP optimize command. So PHP artisan optimize. Now let's go back to our project, refresh this, sign out, and yeah, it's taking me to the logout page. But why is it throwing 401 expired page? Okay, yes, I did not specify the CSRF token. Now let's run this once again. Let's go back, refresh, logout. Okay, there's something wrong with this. So I have the route as logout, and I also gave it the CSRF token as well, and I said download the page. It should take me from the form, and then when I click on submit, it should sign me out. I don't think anything is wrong with this, so let's run the PHP artisan optimize command once again. It can be the cause of some bugs or catch some stuff like that. So now let's log out. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Now it's working. Now let's log in back again. It should take us to that page. And yes, sir, it's taking us to the main page. Now, in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a middleware, or maybe I'll do it in like a later video, because these videos are about how to change your profile picture alongside with your password. So I'll do that, and then I'm gonna go a bit deep, and I will show you guys how you can uh, give it a middleware route. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and I'll do my best to help you guys. Bye.